We live in an electronic age. Smartphones, laptops, TVs, these devices have become essential to our daily lives. This technology connects us, informs us, and entertains us. But there's a hidden cost to our love affair with electronics: e-waste. E-waste, or electronic waste, is a growing global crisis. As we upgrade to the latest gadgets, our old devices often end up discarded, adding to the mounting problem. This isn't just about clutter. E-waste poses serious threats to our planet and our health. The way we produce and consume electronics is unsustainable. We need to rethink our relationship with these devices and embrace responsible e-waste management practices. Together, we can turn this challenge into an opportunity for a cleaner, more sustainable future. E-waste refers to discarded electronic devices. This includes everything from smartphones and computers to refrigerators and televisions. The amount of e-waste generated globally is staggering. In 2023 alone, the world produced over 57 million tons of e-waste, and this figure is projected to rise dramatically in the coming years. Several factors contribute to the e-waste explosion. Devices are becoming cheaper, fueling a culture of consumption and rapid upgrades. Additionally, manufacturers often design products with built-in obsolescence, making them quickly outdated and encouraging consumers to buy new ones. This throwaway culture has severe consequences for our planet. E-waste contains hazardous substances that, if not handled properly, can leach into the environment and pose significant health risks. It's a problem we can no longer afford to ignore. Improper e-waste disposal has severe environmental and health impacts. When electronics end up in landfills, toxic substances like lead, mercury, and cadmium can seep into the soil and groundwater. This contamination can poison crops, pollute water sources, and harm wildlife. These toxins don't just stay in the environment, they can enter the food chain, eventually reaching humans. Exposure to these hazardous substances can lead to a range of health problems, including respiratory issues, developmental problems, and even cancer. The burden of e-waste often falls disproportionately on developing countries. Many developed nations ship their e-waste to developing countries, where it is often processed in unsafe and unregulated conditions, exposing vulnerable communities to toxic materials. Section 4. From dumps to recycling, managing the e-waste flood. E-waste management is a complex issue with varying approaches worldwide. Unregulated dumps, often found in developing countries, represent the most harmful method. These dumps lack proper pollution control, leading to environmental contamination and health hazards. In contrast, high-tech recycling facilities in developed countries offer a safer solution. These facilities use advanced technologies to extract valuable materials from e-waste, reducing the need for new resources and minimizing environmental impact. Global policies are crucial in addressing the e-waste crisis. International agreements like the Basel Convention aim to control the transboundary movement of hazardous waste, including e-waste. However, enforcement remains a challenge, and more needs to be done to promote responsible e-waste management globally. Section 5. Tech innovations, turning trash into treasure. Technology plays a dual role in the e-waste crisis. While it contributes to the problem by fueling the demand for new gadgets, it also offers innovative solutions for managing e-waste effectively. Emerging technologies are making e-waste recycling more efficient and cost-effective. Robotics and artificial intelligence are being used to automate the dismantling and sorting of electronic waste, improving material recovery rates. Furthermore, researchers are developing new techniques to extract valuable metals from e-waste, creating a closed-loop system that reduces the need for mining virgin materials. These technological advancements offer hope for a future where e-waste is seen not as trash, but as a valuable resource. By investing in these innovations, we can turn the e-waste challenge into an opportunity for a more sustainable future. Section 6. Our role in e-waste solutions. Tackling the e-waste crisis requires a collective effort. Governments, manufacturers, and consumers all have a role to play in creating a more sustainable future for electronics. As consumers, we can make responsible choices to reduce our e-waste footprint. This includes buying durable electronics, repairing devices instead of replacing them, and properly recycling old gadgets. We can also support companies that prioritize sustainable practices and advocate for policies that promote responsible e-waste management. Simple actions like deleting unnecessary data before discarding devices and removing batteries for separate disposal can make a difference. By making conscious choices and adopting responsible habits, we can contribute to a solution. Section 7. A sustainable future, our shared responsibility. The e-waste crisis is a stark reminder of the environmental and social costs of our consumption patterns. It's a global problem that demands urgent attention and collective action. By embracing sustainable practices, supporting technological innovations, and advocating for responsible policies, we can create a future where electronics are managed in a way that benefits both people and the planet. It's time to move away from a throwaway culture and embrace a circular economy for electronics, where resources are used responsibly, waste is minimized, and valuable materials are recovered. The choices we make today will determine the kind of world we leave for future generations. Let's choose to build a future where technology empowers us without compromising the health of our planet.